Cover the.
Put some bait.
Yo, no, get this all flat over
Yeah,
here.
make it seem like a seagull's already big. Wait, they're coming in from the east. See the east down there? Look at them, they're all coming in.
Go throw them, go throw it.
Birds don't smell. Especially
It's right next to your left arm. Like right next to your left arm. Hold. There's so much food. Wait. Oh my God. Yeah, there's too much food on his chest. They're gonna go for it. Yo, they're eating all the food on the outside now.